Hi everyone, welcome to our Review Beauty channel, the encyclopedia of beauty brands. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with all the videos about all great products. Or maybe not so, we are uploading, and definitely thumbs up this video. Today we're talking about hair care, and the product I hold in my hands is the Fructis by Garnier Damage Treating Mask. So amazing thing about this mask, I would say three things. First of all, it's vegan formula. Second of all, it's 94% biodegradable formula, but actually what I care more is that it doesn't have any silicones, fragrance, silicones, parabens, and artificial colorants. About the fragrance, it contains the fragrance, the last in the ingredient list. So another thing I like, it's only a 1-minute mask. So if you're really in a rush, but you do want to treat your hair a little bit, so 1 minute is all you have to do. It has papaya extract, which is supposed to be good for your hair. Not really sure that it is, but I mean that's what they claim. Another good thing you could do with this mask is it's actually a very tiny 3.5 ounce, what's that, container, and you could use it as three things. As a mask, so you will, after shampooing, you would apply it on your hair, leave it on for 1 minute. Do not apply it on the root though, just on the hair itself. You could use it as a conditioner, same thing. After shampooing, you could apply it on the hair. I wouldn't apply it on the roots again because it will decrease the volume, make your hair heavier, but maybe once a month you could do some deep treatment mask when you apply it on the roots too. Or you could use it as a leave-in. You would just apply it on damp hair for intense repair. I am not sure how this will go as far as the cleanliness of your hair afterwards and styling, but again, as a deep cleaning treatment, you could do it like once or twice a month. It's also suitable for colored hair. So this is it. This is the small bottle. This is all it can provide. You should definitely see it's 12 months the shelf life, and when you open it, it's probably not a little convenient because when you're in the shower and the water is pouring, you have to take it out. So I would definitely maybe do it beforehand because so the water doesn't get in, cause bacteria and other things. So guys, wishing you all the best. If you like this video, put a thumbs up. See you later. Bye.